The goals of this video: 1. To learn how to use the equipment in the podcast studio room 317, and 2. Be able to record a Skype session using the equipment in the podcast studio 317. Now we're going to go over what you'll need to get started, what you're going to see, what you should know, and how to open Skype. When you come into the room, you're going to see a TV on the wall with a webcam attached. This is going to be essential to record your Skype session. 2, you're going to see a keyboard with a wireless mouse, and this is what you're going to use to control the entire system. First, when you come into the room, turn on the TV. You will not be able to operate Skype without it. Once it's on, the camera will automatically turn on as well. Next, go to the computer and log on. There is no need to use any NetID information. When the logon screen appears, just press Enter to sign on. Now let's take a look at what you'll see once you've logged into the computer. So when you log onto the computer, go ahead and click Skype and give it a second to load. And you'll notice the regular Skype dialog box as you normally see it. And then you're going to see this new little box right here will pop up, and this right here is going to be how we control recording our Skype session. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at it for a second, and it's got a record button and a settings button on it, and we're going to go ahead and check the settings button. And we go into settings, and all the settings have been set up for you already. All the video settings, all the encoding settings, everything is already prepared for you, and you don't have to worry about that. Just down here, you're going to see options for how you can record your Skype session. And we have split screen where it shows your face and the face of the person you're recording at the same time, and it'll record it that way. It also has a picture-in-picture, which is how Skype usually looks, and it will record Skype how it normally looks. But we're going to go ahead and do a split screen for today, and I think that's just what I would recommend to be the best one to use. And so we also have this record calls automatically button, and we never want that on because you want to make sure beforehand you get permission to record your call with the person you're interviewing. And so making sure that's off will give you time to ask permission and get everything set up beforehand. So you're going to go ahead and then log in your information into Skype. And you're going to see everything that Skype normally pops up with when you log in. And if you're familiar with Skype, this is going to look very normal. So we're going to go to our contacts, and we've got someone we're going to go ahead and call here. Once we get everything dialed in, they're going to accept the video chat. And this is someone that we've got already on the video chat. And then what we're going to do is we're going to have to set up Skype to where the person in front of us that we're recording can actually see us face to face, because if you notice in the corner of the video, they're only seeing the back of our head because the computer is in the corner there. So we need to be able to face to face record with them. So what we're going to do is drag all of this over to the TV on the wall that we turned on before. It's very simple to do. You just drag the Skype dialog box like normal, like you would any other window. So drag it over to your right. You'll see it disappear off the screen, and it will automatically appear onto the TV on the wall that you turned on. So go ahead and drag your recording box over to the TV as well. And now you have everything you need to record your Skype session. So go ahead and bring your wireless mouse and keyboard over to the table that is in front of the TV and the camera, and then you'll be able to record from there. So once you get everything set up like that, then that's where you're going to ask permission to record your Skype session. And once you get permission to do that, you go over to that little dialog box where it had the 3 options, and you click the record button. It's going to automatically record the audio and the video of your Skype session as you have it. It's very easy, and all your settings are set up so you don't have to do anything. So once you're done recording, you just tell the person, all right, we're done recording, and you're going to turn that recording button off, and it's going to automatically save all of your recorded files to a folder on the desktop. And next we're going to show you how to go ahead and do that. But as you see in the video here, we just ended the conversation, and you take that window and drag it back over to your computer, just like you did before. Very easy. Slide everything back over, and then take your mouse and your keyboard back to the computer. And then from here, you can go ahead and quit Skype. You can hide all the windows. You can even hide the recorder window. You can leave it on there if you want to. But all of your files and your movie is going to be automatically saved to the desktop in this folder right here. So you're going to open this folder, click and say Skype sessions or Skype calls, and your folder, your video will automatically be saved in here, and it will be saved under the name of the contact that you just had your conversation with. And as you can see right there, we recorded it in split screen. You can see me on your left, and you can see the person that we recorded on the right. And you can see that it's a very easy system to follow, and it's very easy to use. And then from there, if you want to, you can take your Skype video and you can put it into iMovie, edit it down, add some effects or some graphics or just some text, or you can email it to yourself or put it on a flash drive. Anything you want to do. It's very easy, and that's pretty much all there is to it. So I hope that this video helped you out, and we'll talk to you next time. Thank you.